answering your questions about retirement. It's Money Talk with Michael Eastham.
My 401k has been taking a pretty big hit lately due to the stock market. When do you think the stock market will turn around?
All right, well, this is what I refer to as the crystal ball question. And I got to tell you, I don't have a crystal ball that works very well. A lot of times when I stare into it, it gets a little hazy. But what I can tell you is that, yes, you're right. The stock market has been a bit volatile lately, and it's possible that that's going to be continuing into the early part of 2024. But I will tell you that that when you think about the things that are causing the market to be so volatile, one of the biggest things has to do with the Federal Reserve. We're not 100% sure what direction they're going to go, right? We think maybe they'll stay put, or maybe they're going to raise interest rates a little bit more. Well, people are getting a little bit nervous about the high level of interest that they're having to pay on things like mortgages and new cars and things like that. So it's likely to have a compressing effect on people's willingness to spend. That's going to slow the economy down. And when the economy slows down, then you're going to see the Federal Reserve flatten out interest rates and probably send them back down, get them back a little bit lower than where they are right now. Now, will the Fed funds rate ever go back down to zero again? I'm not convinced about that, but we are likely to see the rates drop at some point, and my gut tells me that it's probably going to be somewhere late first quarter or second quarter of next year, 2024. So when that happens, I think some of the volatility will slow down. When people start to gain confidence that the Fed's done raising interest rates, then they know that they've got a little bit more visibility on where the economy's going and how things will move into the short-term future. So keep that in mind as you're considering how much risk you want to take. Where you are in your retirement is going to have an impact on that as well. And make sure that you've got your allocation set up in a way that makes you sleep well at night. So if you got questions about it, certainly reach out. I'd love to be able to help you.
If you've got a financial question you'd like to have answered, click on the link below to submit your question. You may hear your answer on an upcoming edition of Money Talk.